you say Merry Christmas to the people back home? Say Merry Christmas.
It's Henry's first Christmas.
Okay, let's look at your toy. What are we going to be playing with? You want to
What
play
did
with
Santa
something?
bring you?
Hi.
Can we see
What's
what
this?
Santa brought you?
What's this? Hey, look in the mirror. You look in the mirror? Or you want to say hello? Hi. Peekaboo.
Yay! Can you look in your mirror? We're gonna flip their toy. No,
Okay.
we want to know what Daddy's
No?
got in his hand,
Okay,
huh?
well here's the little tree. Here's what it looks like.
Can you say Merry Christmas? Keep those around for me. Ho, ho, ho. You can press it again? Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Did you make it go?
Shall we get your stocking? Would you like to go and get your stocking off the mantle?
Yeah. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah.
Oh, Pops, I think he wants you to talk to him.
Uh-huh.
You can go over to the breakfast and take him your stocking.
You like that toy best so far.